This puzzle is made of 6 L's and it has an L-shaped cut on the top of the box. And if we just take the L's and drop them down to the bottom of the box, we can fit one in this way. We can add another one on top. Then we can fit one more L in over here, and then we can shift those L's off to the side. Next, we can take one of these L's and put them in the tray just like that. We can fit one more L in over here, but there's no way to get that last L into the box. And that is because you have to think about it in a different way. Don't try to fit these L's perfectly through this cutout on the top of the box. So if we take all 3 of these L's out, to get the L6 puzzle for yourself, go click that link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We can start off by putting one of these L's in this way, stepping it off to the side underneath that cube and down to the bottom. Then we can push it off to that side of the box. Next, take one more L, place it in and drop it down to the bottom of the box. Then we can take one L and put it in this way and push it off to the side of the box as well. And lastly, take one more L with this side facing up and drop it into the box and off to the back. Now it looks like at this point that it's totally impossible to get these last 2 L's into the box, and that is because we actually have to do movement inside of the box before we can add them in. So if we shift the box to the right, we can shift it to the top, and then we can shift it to the left. That opens up enough space that we can fit these last 2 L's perfectly into the box. To get the L6 puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.